What's going on? It's your boy Bum Bum, and it's too embarrassing. I can't. Man, what's going on? It's your boy Bum Bum, and I'm about to play some Sons of the Forest with my boy Demande. Let's just get right into it, yeah? Alrighty. Alright, Demande, you ready?
Start the game.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Oh damn, I'm about to kill this nigga. I don't know who this nigga is, but I'm about to kill him. Oh, I see you. Look what? Look what?
Look what? It's me.
Alright, we gotta open up these stuff over here.
Oh.
I don't know, that's what I was gonna ask you. I was gonna call you during my lunch and ask you that.
What?
What you expecting the ground floor like that, man? Oh.
Well, no. Stand next to it again. Wait. Was that you? Go to your couch? Wait, how do you crouch?
For me, it's control.
Wait. Oh, wait. How do I do this? Okay.
Yeah, what
Oh, I forgot I'm making a fire, goddammit.
What?
I forgot you could chop down trees and make a house and shit.
Oh, let's go, bro. We playing Minecraft. What's his name? We gotta give him a name. What's his name?
Oh, name is get the fuck on! Name is get the fuck on! Come on.
Yo.
I'm not stopping for nobody. Actually, let's go kill him.
Yo!
11.
Yo, we climbed the tree like the monkey, bro.
Where'd he go? Oh, what the fuck? There's another one, so I don't know if you want to.
There is.
Oh, yeah, I'm going.
They wait, but they not even attacking.
Probably because it's not nighttime, but I'm finna smack this nigga in his shit, though. Bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga.
Hey!
Bitch ass nigga. Oh, shit.
Right,
kill this nigga.
You need to leave.
Oh, another one. Oh, yeah, you too, bitch. Ah, nigga. Ah, nigga. Oh! Bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Yeah! Oh, this nigga's still alive. Chop saw, nigga. Chop suey, man. I picked up a skin pouch. I
That's
don't know what that is.
Yeah, bro. Man. We're some
I forgot we could burn him for his bones, too.
Oh, yo, can you see this? Look, there's a butterfly on my hatchet.
I can't.
Swag. We're like the OG colonizers, bro. Like, we just pulled up and started killing people.
Christopher Columbus. Oh, this is their little tent space. Oh, they got stuff here too. Oh yeah. Oh, a solar panel. Some cereal.
Okay. Some cereal.
Yeah, I got some cereal.
Oh, they got where'd they get a boat engine from?
They got a boat engine?
Look, it's right here.
Okay, take that.
I can't. It's too big.
Another skin pouch. Multiple new crafting recipes. Hold on, let's see what I can craft.
They got money!
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
I could build a torch. I could build a torch and a crafted spear. I'm gonna just wait for that. They got money.
They got money. I took it.
Pick up all this money.
Look at these.
Trail's
Devil's Club. That's some Devil's Club. Yo,
Oh, there's a tent over here.
there's music.
Music.
Yeah.
Let's do here.
He just,
Collect everything. Collect
Yeah.
everything.
Let's go.
Money! Money!
What is this?
Got a fucking motorcycle wheel or one wheel?
It is a motorcycle wheel. What the? Oh my gosh! Peep my whip, man. Peep my whip,
Oh,
man.
how do you do that?
Here.
Oh, now we go! We on the one wheel!
How do I get off it?
How do we get off? Oh, jump twice to dismount. Okay.
You said what?
Okay. Jump twice.
Oh, okay. It's about to tell me. Stuck on one wheel.
Damn, cool butt.
Right,
Oh, what the fuck?
What? What happened?
Hell no.
What happened?
Nigga, I blew up.
You blew up?
I drove into the little gas thing on accident.
Oh no. Oh, I just blew up. Oopsies. Alright, let's go. Let's go do this. Oh! Yeah, bro. You can, if you run into something going fast, bro, you fall off.
Oh, hell no.
I just ate it on my one wheel, man.
Ooh, we get some deer. Oh, you scared away the deer.
Why is this deer so slow?
Let's kill the deer.
Alright, kill him.
Actually, fuck that. No. Let's get. Actually, where is it? Yeah, let's kill that motherfucker. Wait, where?
Make up your damn mind, man.
It's gone.
Alright, let's go. Let's go get this objective. It's a cool little one, though. I'm just about here. Let's see what's up. What happened?
Oh, we're right here. Oh, you parked your one wheel?
I parked it. I don't want no more, man.
Oh, it's right here.
Yo. Yeah. Yo! What the? It's a dude! There's a dude right here. He in the bushes. Oh, there's two dudes! How I get out my hatchet? My hatchet. My hatchet. My hatchet. This little monkey man.
Where'd he go?
Lost collected. Where did he go? Dude, he's right there, but you don't see him? Where you at?
Right here. Where is he?
You hear him? Oh, he's right here. You're right here. Come here. Come here.
Get that little. Oh, another one! Nigga, put it off my nigga, man. Put it off my nigga. Slice and dice. Slice and dice. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Where you at? Where you at?
Alright. I need some medicine. Pop some pills back like it's nothing. Yeah, pop some pills. Wait, did you kill him?
I killed one of them.
Look at my spur.
You damn sure. Oh, who are you?
Who is what? Want to kill her? What the fuck? She has 3 legs, nigga.
She got 3 arms too. Yo, you good? Oh no! Don't kill her, bro. Yo.
Ain't real.
Yo, bro. What if she
Oh
was
wait,
like?
we could
heal her.
I'm a healer.
She's kind of thick, man. Oh.
No, bitch. Oh yeah, now you dead. Now you dead.
Oh no, she
What the
kind
fuck did you run
of.
into?
Why is she fast, man? Oh no.
You
but
chasing her?
She's gone, man.
No, she's not. She stopped. Now she kept running. She just jumped over a goddamn rock. Bitch, come here. Can I throw the spear? Oh, I could throw the spear.
Do it.
Oh, it's not gonna reach her. Fuck.
Oh, yeah,
You running
man,
fast.
I'm just giving up, man.
Oh no, she stopped. She stopped. She stopped. Oh, bitch, come here.
Oh, I can't see anything, man.
Ah, she's dead now. She's dead now.
You got her?
She's dead now. Yeah, I got her ass.
Yo, why is my
Just
lighter?
stabbing her in the back.
This is my lighter purple.
Huh?
What if she was nice?
It's an electric ladder.
If she was
Probably
nice.
was. Then she tried to run away like it was evil or something. I healed that bitch. Okay, I didn't know we. Oh damn! I don't know why I made the 2 sticks. Damn it!
She positioned a little bit conspicuous.
Oh, Lord.
I might Never mind.
It's my lighter.
Never mind.
Yeah.
How do I?
So.
There you go. Alright, say no more. You want to go back to the thing, see if we were supposed to do something over there?
Well, let's move on to the next one. Find some houses or stuff.
Yo.
Huh?
Oh nah, bro, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. I just heard something running around me, man.
Alright, come on, we gotta stay. I actually just run through. Actually, hold on. Let me see if I got some more pills because I'm about to die. We're about to hit the trail right now.
Yeah, we are. Oh,
This the trail?
it's the trail. You want to go up or down? Towards the beach or towards the hills?
Beach.
We're going towards the beach. Let's go.
Going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Going to. Oh, damn, I lost the trail. But, oh, damn, I'm going the wrong way.
Well, how do you lose the trail, my boy? No, I just can't see anything, my boy.
That's why I lost the
I
trail.
can't see anything at all.
We are both at the sound. It'd be better if it had fucking light. Fight. Well,
Yo, this fire stinks!
didn't light up shit.
Can I,
Oh my
can I like light the
God.
forest on fire or something?
Look at this nigga falling asleep. Ain't no fucking way. So break this stick over your head. Oh, it says I'm hungry. Trying to eat a meal prep. Try to eat some ramen noodles. I'm gonna eat some ramen noodles. Fuck it. Oh, I need some water too. Goddammit. And I run to the water. Actually, no, I don't. I run to the water. What you doing? What you doing? Chopping down trees?
From that tree.
I don't know, I swear to God, if you can't drink the water out of fucking, out of the ocean, I'm gonna be mad.
Okay. Well, but I can barely see. Why? Pause. Why would you be able to drink the water from the ocean?
You can't. You can't drink the water.
I wonder why, bro.
You can do it in arc. I got some
Let
tarp.
me see the guidebook. A tent is sticks plus tarp. You put the tarp down. Okay, yeah, it's good. Good.
How many sticks do you have?
I got a few sticks.
Okay, I got some tarp too. You got tarp?
I think I got tarp.
Where's the goddamn campfire?
Put the tarp. Oh, I cannot see nothing. I don't know. I think it burnt out. So we just make.
I don't think we're even next to
We'll
it.
make a new one here. I'm about to make this tent right here. Okay, put the tarp down. Okay.
Just tarp down, tarp down.
Now let me inventory. Get my sticks out. Get my sticks out. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're
Gotta
talking.
sleep.
Now we're talking. Now we got a tent. I'm about to catch some Z's, my boy.
Save it too.
Nope.
Oh,
Hey,
damn.
there you go. All right, now the
I
second.
forgot it just. Oh, this is a pretty big beach.
Straight up. All right.
So bad we could have lit fire to one of these.
Could you? That's what I was trying to do. I
Alright.
couldn't figure out how to do it.
Or maybe not.
Okay.
Where'd you see a question mark?
Question mark?
Yeah, you said there's a question mark in the water.
There is. Or not question mark. It's the one like the exclamation point or whatever. I think it's that orange thing over there.
You want to fly out? I mean, swim out to it?
You can.
Alright,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna. How do you put stuff away?
How do you put stuff away?
Yeah.
I just open the inventory and then I exit off the inventory. Damn! Ow! Oh my goodness.
What?
This water is breaking my game.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do?
I'm scared, man. I don't like the water.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What?
Are you sure that's a question mark?
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What? Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming.
Okay.
Oh, I almost got up.
I'm up. You gotta like hold E on to that thing. Yo, what happened to
what?
you?
I'm about to come.
It's our homie. It's the homie that was on a plane.
You said hold what on it?
I got a gun!
I swear to God.
I got a gun! You gotta get up
How
here.
did you get up?
Get up here. I think you gotta like hold E on it. Try and go to the other side. I got up from over here.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, for sure didn't tell me to do that over there. Oh, yeah, we got a little pistol.
Okay. What's the objective with you? E?
Oh, we got paddles and shit.
Oh, there's a shark, my boy.
Oh, good thing we got this pistol. How many bullets we got in here?
Let's see. Let me throw out the blick. Put the blick.
Oh, we got ammo too. Wait, hold on. He has a radio.
You did. I grabbed it. Oh man.
Oh, yeah.
I shot the shark.
Is it dead?
I don't know. It swam away. I don't know how much ammo you got.
It's a good question. Let's see.
It is so hard to walk on this thing.
I just know I have a pistol. That's it.
I killed it! Oh my goodness.
You did?
Yeah, look.
Are you sure you killed it, or is it just faking? Yeah, it's dead. Alright, let's go. This is a good journey right here. How stupid ass runs.
Yeah, right. Why he run like that, man? He run like a caveman.
Safe. Game state.
Let's make a new save through this. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.